Hello children, welcome back to this video session of Maths. Today we are going to solve exercise 3.3. Here we discuss about the applications of identities. Let us get into the session.
Look at this exercise 3.3, identities. The identities gives an alternative method of solving problem on multiplication of algebraic expressions and also of numbers. The identities give an alternative method of solving problems on multiplication of algebraic expressions and also of numbers. Listen here, the identities are given there. A plus B whole squared. How will you write? A plus B whole squared. A plus B inside the bracket. So, inside the bracket means we want to read the whole squared. So, A plus B whole squared equal to A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. A plus B whole squared equal to A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. Next one, A minus B whole squared equal to A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. A minus B the whole squared equal to A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. And then A squared minus B squared equal to A plus B into A minus B. A squared minus B squared equal to A plus B into A minus B. And then x plus A into x plus B equal to x squared plus A plus B into x plus AB. X squared plus summation of A and B into x plus AB. And then A plus B whole cube equal to A cube plus 3A squared B plus 3AB squared plus B cube. A plus B whole cube equal to A cube plus 3A squared B plus 3AB squared plus B cube. And A minus B whole cube equal to A cube minus 3A squared B plus 3AB squared minus B cube. A minus B the whole cube equal to A cube minus 3A squared B plus 3AB squared minus B cube. And then x plus A into x plus B into x plus C equal to x cube. X into x into x, so x cube plus A plus B plus C into x squared. A plus B plus C into x squared plus AB plus BC plus CA into x plus ABC. X plus A into x plus B into x plus C equal to x cube plus A plus B plus C into x squared plus AB plus BC plus CA into x plus ABC. These are the identities. These three identities are this one and this. These are cubic identities. And then these are all the identities we can use to solve the problem on multiplication of algebraic expressions. So children, memorize these formulas, then only you can solve the problem. So write down and memorize that. First sum, expand. First subdivision, 3m plus 5 whole squared. Listen, what formula we can use to solve this problem? Listen, A plus B whole squared. A plus B whole squared equal to A square plus 2ab plus b squared. So use this formula and solve this. 3m here, a equal to is what? 3m, right? A equal to 3m and b equal to 5. B equal to 5. Now 3m plus 5 whole squared equal to, a squared means 3m squared. Squared for 3 and m also. So write this in bracket. Plus 2 into a is what? 3m and b is 5. Plus b squared means 5 squared. B is 5, so by 5 squared. 3m whole squared. So 3 square means 9. And m squared plus, first these are in multiplication. So multiply the numbers. 2 into 3, 6. 6 5s are 30. 30 m. What's the variable here? M. Plus 5 squared means 5 5s are 25. So 9m square plus 30m plus 25 is the answer. Next one. 5p minus 1 whole squared. Here what formula we can use? That is a minus b. So a minus b whole squared. That is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. In every sum, you write the formula. Here a equal to 5p and b equal to 1. Now substitute the values. 5p minus 1 whole squared equal to a squared, that is 5p squared minus 2 into 5p into 1 plus b is 1, so 1 squared. 5p whole squared. So first square the 5. 5 into 5, that is 25 p squared minus, multiply the numbers first. 2 5s are 10. 10 into 1, 10. So 10, variable is p, plus 1 squared means 1 into 1, that is 1. So 25p squared minus 10p plus 1 is the answer. Next one. 2n minus 1 plus 2n plus 3. Here 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 3. Formula is x plus a into x plus b equal to x squared plus a plus b into x plus ab. Keep it in your mind. X plus a into x plus b is the formula. Here minus is there. Plus means no problem, a equal to that number. But here we take the value of a, that is minus 1. There is minus means take the sign also. So here x equal to what? 2n. A equal to minus 1 and b equal to 3. Now substitute the values. 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 3 equal to x square. What is x here? 2n square plus a is minus 1 plus b is 3 into x is 2n plus a is minus 1 into b 3. Now simplify that. 2n whole square. So 2 squared means 4 and n squared. Here minus 1 plus 3. Different sign. So we have to subtract this one to get 2. Which one is greater one? Plus 3 is the greater one. That sign is plus. No need to write. And 2n plus minus into plus minus 1 3 is 3. Now 4n squared plus multiply the numbers 2 into 2 4 and variable is n plus into minus minus 3. So 4n square plus 4n minus 3 is the answer. Next one. 4p squared minus 25q squared. First 4p squared. 4 split into 2 into 2. So 2 squared p squared minus 25. We can write as 5 squared. 5 square is 25. So q squared. That is also we can write like this. 2 squared p squared, that is 2p whole squared minus 5 squared q squared means 5q whole squared. Look at this. This is like that. A squared minus b squared formula. So a squared minus b squared is what? A plus b into a minus b. Now we can substitute the values and simplify that. Here a equal to 2p and b equal to 5q. A squared minus b squared, that is 2p squared minus 5q squared equal to a plus b, 2p plus 5q into 2p minus 5q. So 2p whole square minus 5q whole square is what? First question. 4p square minus 25q squared equal to, what's the answer? 2p plus 5q into 2p minus 5q. So that is the answer. Second one, expand. 3 plus m whole cube. Listen, these are the cubic identities. First one 3 plus m the whole cube. What formula we can use here? A plus b whole cube. Write down the formula. A plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. Here, what is a? A equal to 3 and b equal to m. Now expand the formula. 3a plus m whole cube equal to a cube plus, so 3 cube plus 3 into a square means 3 square into b m plus 3 into a 3 into b square, that is m square plus b cube. B cube means m cube. Substitute the values. Now simplify that. 3 cube. 3 cube means 3 3s are 9. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. So 27 plus 3 into 3 square. 3 into 3 square is what? 9. 3 into 3, that is 9, plus 3 3s are 9, m squared plus m cube. 27 plus 3 9s are 27 m plus 9 m squared plus m cube. Now rearrange the terms. M cube will be first. So m cube and then m squared, that is 9m squared, and then m term 27m and then constant term 27. So that is the answer. Now second one, 2a plus 5 whole cube. So here also we have to use the formula a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. Here a equal to 2a and b equal to 5. Now substitute the values. 2a plus 5 whole cube equal to a cube, that is 2a whole cube plus 3 into a square 2a the whole square into b, that is 5 plus 3 into a is 2a and b is 5. 5 squared plus b cube, that is 5 cube. A cube. First cube of 2, that is 2 into 2 into 2, 8 a cube plus 3 into 2 square 4 a squared into 5 plus 3 into 2a into 5 squared means 25 plus 5 cube. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. So 125. Now rearrange this. 2a plus 5 the whole cube equal to 8a cube plus multiply the numbers first. 3 4s are 12, 12 5s are 60. 60 a squared plus 3 2s are 6, 6 25s are, that is 150 a plus 125. 8a cube, then a square term 60 a square plus 150 a plus 125. That is the answer. Next one, 3p plus 4q whole cube. Listen, that is a plus b whole cube formula equal to a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. What's the value of a? Here a equal to 3p and b equal to 4q. Expand that is p 3p plus 4q whole cube equal to a cube, that is 3p whole cube plus 3 into a square 3p square into b 4q plus 3 into a is 3p into b square, that is 4q the whole square plus b cube 4q whole cube. 3 cube first, 3 into 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 p cube plus 3 into square this number 3 square 9 p square into 4q plus 3 into 3p square this number 4, 4 into 4 16, 16 q square plus 4 cube, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, 64 q cube. Now simplify that, 27 p cube plus 3 9s are 27, 27 into 4, that is 27 into 4, 4 7s are 28, 2, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 2 10, so 110, sorry 108, 108 p square q plus 3 3s are 9, 9 16s are 16 9s are 6 9s are 54, 1 9 is 9, plus 5, 14. So 144, and here variables are p q square plus 64 q cube. That is the answer. Second one, fourth subdivision, 52 the whole cube. Listen, we can write as nearest tens, that is 50 plus 2. So 50 plus 2, that is in the form of a plus b the whole cube. So a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now write the values of a and b. Here a equal to 50 and b equal to 2. Now 50 plus, now substitute the values. 50 plus 2 whole cube equal to first a cube, that is 50 cube, plus 3a square b, 3 into what is here 50 squared into b 2, plus 3 into a is 50 into 2 square, b square means 2 squared, and b cube, that is 2 cube. Listen, 50 cube plus 50 cube, that is 50 into 50 into 50. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Put the 3 zeros here, 1, 2, 3, so 3 zeros. So 1,25,000 plus 3 into 50 square means 5 5s are 25, 50 square means 50 into 50. 5 5s are 25, put the 2 zeros, we get 2,500 into 2 plus 3 into 50 into 2 square, that is 4, plus 2 cube 8. 1,25,000 plus 3 into 25, that is 75, put 2 zeros and into 2. 3 into 2,500, that is 3 25s are 75, and put 2 zeros into 2. Here 2 zeros, 2 5s are 10, 7 2s are 14, plus 1 15. So 15,000 plus 3 5s are 15, 15 4s are 60. So 6,600. 600. 3 5s are 15, 15 4s are 60, and 1 0. So 600 plus 8. Now add these values. 1,25,000 plus 15,000 plus 600 and 8. 8 0 6 5 5 10 4 1. 1 lakh 40,608. That is what? 52 cube. That is the answer. Fifth one, 104 whole cube. How will you write that? 100 plus 4 whole cube. Listen, here a plus b whole cube form it. So, a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. Now substitute the values. Here a equal to 100 and b equal to 4. 100 plus 4 whole cube equal to 100 cube, a cube, 100 cube plus 3 into a square, that is 100 square plus into b, that is 4, plus 3 into a is 100 into b square, that is 4 square plus b cube, 4 cube. Now 100 whole cube, that is 100 into 100 into 100. 1 is 1, 1 is 1. So 1. Here 2 zeros. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6. 6 zeros we have to put here. So 10 lakhs. Plus 3 into 100 square. How much? 100 into 100, 4 zeros. So 1, 4 zeros into 4 plus 3 into 100 into 4 square means 4 4s are 16 plus 4 cube, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Ten lakhs, 3 4s are 12 and here 4 zeros. 3 4s are 12, 12 into 1, 12 and put 4 zeros plus 16 3s are 48. So 48, here 2 zeros, so 4800 plus 64. Now add these values. 10 lakhs and then 1,20,000 and then 4,800 64. Now add these values. 4 6 8 4 2 1 1. So 11 lakhs 24,864. That is the value of 104 cube. Third question, expand. First subdivision, 5 minus x whole cube. 5 minus x the whole cube. Listen, that is in the format a minus b, a minus b the whole cube. So a minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cube. So apply this formula. Here what is the value of a? A equal to 5. A is 5 and b equal to x. Now expand that. X minus x, 5 minus x whole cube equal to a cube. A cube is 5 cube minus 3 into a square, that is 5 square into b x plus 3 into a is 5 into b square, that is x squared minus b cube, that is x cube. 5 cube, that is 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Minus 3 into 5 square is 25 into x plus 3 5s are 15 x squared minus x cube. 125 minus 3 25s are 75x plus 15x squared minus x cube. That is what? 5 minus x whole cube. So that is the answer. Next one. 2x minus 4y whole cube. 2x minus 4y whole cube, that is also a minus b whole cube format. So write down the formula. A minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cube. Now here a equal to 2x and b equal to 4y. Substitute this. 2x minus 4y whole cube equal to a cube, that is 2x whole cube minus 3 into a square, that is 2x squared into b is 4y plus 3 into a 2x and b squared 4y squared minus b cube, that is 4y whole cube. Now simplify that. 2x minus 4y whole cube equal to 2x whole cube. 2 cube means 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, x cube minus 3 into 2 square 4 and x square. So 4 x squared into 4y plus 3 into 2x, here square the number 4y, 4 4s are 16, y squared minus 4y the whole cube cube means 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64 y cube. 64 y cube. 8x cube minus, multiply the numbers, 3 4s are 12, 12 4s are 48 x square y plus 3 2s are 6, 16 6 are 16 into 6, 6 6 are 36, 6 1 is 6, 96. So 96 x y square minus 64 y cube. 8x cube minus 48 x square y plus 96 x y square minus 64 y cube, that is 2x minus 4y whole cube. That is the answer. Next one, AB minus C the whole cube. Listen, here also they given A minus B the whole cube format. So write down A minus B the whole cube equal to A cube minus 3A squared B plus 3AB squared minus B cube. Here A equal to what? AB. B equal to C. Children, don't confuse. A equal to AB, B equal to C. Substitute the values. AB minus C whole cube equal to A cube means AB whole cube minus 3 into A square, that is AB whole square into B is C plus 3 into A is AB into B square means C square minus B cube, that is C cube. Now simplify that. A cube and B cube. A cube B cube minus 3A square B square. So 3A squared B squared and C plus 3AB C squared minus C cube. That is the answer for AB minus C whole cube. 48 the whole cube, that is I write it as 50 minus 2 whole cube. 50 minus 2, 48 whole cube. It is in the form A minus B whole cube equal to A cube minus 3A squared B plus 3AB squared minus B cube. So that is the formula. Apply that, and then here A equal to 50 and B equal to 2. Now substitute the values. 50 minus 2 the whole cube equal to first A cube, that is 50 whole cube minus 3 into A squared, that is 50 squared into B 2 plus 3 into a 50 and then b squared 2 squared minus b cube, that is 2 cube. 50 cube, that is 50 into 50 into 50. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125 and 3 zeros. We get 1,25,000 minus 3 into 50 squared. 50 into 50. 5 5s are 25, 2 zeros. So 2,500 into 2 plus 3 into 50 into 2 square. 2 square means 4 minus 2 cube means 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now 1,25,000 minus 3 2s are 6, 6 25s are 150. This 20, so 15,000 plus 3 5s are 15, 15 4s are 60 and put the 0, it becomes 600 minus 8. Now solve the values. 1,25,000, both are in addition, so add that first. 1,25,600. Now subtract this one by one, that is 15,000. 0 0 6, 5 minus 5 0, 2 minus 1 1 1. Again subtract 8 from that, it becomes 6. 0 minus 8 is not possible, so borrow 1 from here, it becomes 5, here 10 and again borrow 1 from here, means it becomes 9. 10 minus 8 2, 9 5 0 1 1. So 1,10,592, that is what? 48 the whole cube. That is the answer. Third question, fifth subdivision, 97xy whole cube. 97 is split into, we can write 100 minus 3. So 100xy minus 3xy the whole cube. Now it is in a minus b whole cube format. So a minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cube. Here a equal to 100xy and b equal to 3xy. Now substitute the values. 100xy minus 3xy the whole cube equal to a cube, that is 100xy cube minus 3 into a square, that is 100xy the square into b is 3xy plus 3 into a 100xy into b square, that is 3xy the square minus b cube, that is 3xy whole cube. Now 100 cube, that is 100 into 100 into 100, that is 10 lakhs. X cube, y cube. Put the power separately. Minus 3 into 100 square means 10,000. X squared, y squared into 3xy plus 3 into 100xy into 3 square, that is 9x squared y squared minus 3xy whole cube. So 3 cube is 27, x cube y cube. Now 10 lakhs x cube y cube minus 3 3s are 9, 9 1s are 9. Put the 4 zeros, we get 90,000. X squared into x, x cube, y squared into y, y cube, plus 3 9s are 27 into 1, 27, 2 zeros. So we get 2700. X into x squared, that is x cube, y into y squared, that is y cube, minus 27 x cube y cube. All these terms in x cube y cube only, that is like terms. We can add these values. First add the positive numbers, plus plus, so 10 lakhs plus 2700, that is 10 lakhs 2700, and from this we subtract these numbers one by one, that is 90,000. Subtract first 0 0 7 2, 0 minus 9 is possible, so from here we borrow 1, that becomes 10, 10 minus 9 1, 9. Again from this subtract 27, 0 minus 7 is not possible, so from here borrow 1, it becomes 6, here 9, it becomes 10, 10 minus 7 3, 9 minus 2 7, 6 2 1 9. So how much? 9 lakhs 12,673 x cube y cube, that is 97 xy whole cube answer. Fourth one, simplify p minus 2, p plus 1 into p minus 4. It is in the format x plus a into x plus b into x plus c equal to x cube plus a plus b plus c into x squared plus ab plus bc plus ca x into plus abc. That is the formula. Now write the values. X equal to here p and a equal to minus 2, take the numbers with the sign, and b equal to 1, c equal to minus 4. Substitute that p minus 2 into p plus 1 into p minus 4 equal to x cube means p cube plus a plus b plus c. Add this values of a and b, a, b, c, minus 2 plus 1 minus 4 into x square, that is p square, ab, a into b, that is minus into plus, minus 2 1 is 2, and bc, plus into minus, minus 1 4 is 4, and then ca, c and a, minus into minus plus 2 4s are 8 into x, that is p, plus abc, minus 2 into 1 into minus 4, p cube plus, listen, minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1, again minus 4. Add this minus symbols, that is minus 6 plus 1, so minus 5 we get. P square plus, here minus minus, so add this value with minus symbol, that is minus 6 plus 8, we get plus 2 into p, plus minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus 2 into 1 2, 2 4s are 8, p cube plus into minus, minus 5p squared, plus into plus, plus 2p, plus into plus, plus 8. What's that? P minus 2 into p plus 1 into p minus 4. That is the answer. Next one. Find the volume of the cube whose side is x plus 1 centimeter. They given the side of the cube x plus 1 centimeter. We have to find out the volume of the cube. So given side of the cube, they given the side, that is equal to a equal to x plus 1 centimeter. Now volume of the cube equal to a cube square centimeter, that is the formula. So a cube means here x plus 1 whole cube. It is in the form of a plus b whole cube, right? A plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So substitute the values. Here a equal to x and b equal to 1. Now a cube, that is x cube plus 3 into a square, that is x square into 1b plus 3 into ax b square 1 square plus 1 cube. So x cube plus 3 into 1 3 x squared. Here plus 3 into 1 square means 1, 3 x plus 1 cube means 1. So x cube 3x square plus 3x plus 1 cubic centimeter, not square centimeter, that is volume, no? So cubic centimeter, that is volume of cube. That is the answer. Next one, find the volume of the cuboid whose dimensions are x plus 2, x minus 1 and x minus 3. So these are the length, breadth and height of the cuboid. So given length of cuboid equal to x plus 2 and breadth equal to x minus 1. And height equal to x minus 3. Now volume of the cuboid. L into B into H, that is equal to x plus 2 into x minus 1 into x minus 3 cubic units. It is in the format x plus a into x plus b into x plus c, right? So apply the formula x cube plus a plus b plus c into x squared plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. Here x equal to x, there is no change. A equal to 2, B equal to minus 1, C equal to minus 3. Now x plus 2 into x minus 1 into x minus 3 equal to first x cube plus a plus b plus c, 2 minus 1 minus 3 into x squared plus ab, a is plus 2, here minus 2, plus into minus minus 2 and bc, minus into minus plus 1 3s are 3, ca plus into minus minus 3 2s are 6 into x plus abc, 2 into minus 1 into minus 3, x cube 2 minus 1 minus 3, 2 minus 4, right? Same sign. So we have to add this with the same sign, minus 4 plus 2, we get minus 2 x squared plus here minus 6 minus 2 minus 8 plus 3, so minus 5 x plus into minus 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 into minus plus 2 3s are 6. Now x cube plus into minus minus 2x squared plus into minus minus 5x plus into plus plus 6, that is cubic units. X plus 2 into x minus 1 into x minus 3. So volume of the cuboid equal to x cube minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6 cubic units. That is the answer. Here exercise 3.3 is over. So children practice well. I'll see you again in next exercise. Thank you.